Hit. I say we go into the forest.
That's what I'm thinking too.
That's what I tried, and I met the
Honestly, I want to go back to university. I feel like one of his objectives for probably university too. Might be a squirrel pit. That's true. There's probably one. We can flank around a squirrel and then flank these guys over.
We're going in the woods, buddy.
Man, it's better than dealing with these guys right there.
You're red or blue? You're red or blue? Yeah, is that spawn?
Cooper, this is their spawn. Can you push like back up before we start there? Spawn's back there. Well, let's leave. They have to wait 2 minutes before they can respawn anyways. I'm taking wherever this is. We're putting our spot.
Hey! No, this is their spawn, dude.
Bo said it wasn't. This is their spawn for the
Rock that thing. So then they come to a fucking time limit and they come in. Oh. Come up these stairs, I dare you. Hey. I've seen Bluetooth. Oh yeah, I know. I'm terrified.
Is that the one big boys got? Dude's got these old Jesus. The one big boy using it? I know my boy Cody's might bring his. Big guy, big beard? Yeah. Is he carrying anything more than that? He was using it for that. That's Cody. Alright, I don't put him off because that is not good. I was like, wait, we they shot one kid and I was like, but you're fine. I mean, you know, just be careful. But yeah, I can only go to the really the tree, but when you I do get it. I do get it. But I was like, yeah. I think it's only 50 feet. And the nice thing about
Oh, now they know that. Hey, what unfortunate son.
Hey, what team's down here? Orange? Okay, we're orange up here. Let us know if you see anything. We'll help you out.
Well, they were what? They were what? I'm going after the button. You're towards the bad place to die, boy.
I got the tail right here, so I can do it.
Let's go to bring this man back to life. Yes. Give me my gun, boy. Thank you.